after a little bit of use, that's what happens to your polishing mop. You see all these little bits and pieces sticking out here like that. That's no good. It's almost like putting your hands in the shellac and daubing it on. It needs to sit comfortably on the surface and be drawn nicely. So I'm going to repair this and get a bit of shape back into it. So first of all, I'm going to put it into some methylated spirits, take the thick off. There we are, so that there's very little shellac left in it. Then I'm going to put it into some more methylated spirits, just like that. Leave it to soak just for a bit. And I'll put some warm water into this container. As you can see, it's pretty warm. Right, there we go. That's looking pretty clean. So what I'm going to do is to take off the surplus of the methylated spirits, and then I'm going to put it into the warm water. And that'll just relieve the tension in the fibres. Squirrel hair, incidentally. You'll see it'll just ease itself into a shape now. Just leave it there just a little bit longer. That cloudiness is the methylated spirits going into solution, plus a little bit of the shellac. Right, so now what I'm going to do is, I've got a dry cloth, and I'm just going to take most of that water away at the same time as creating that shape you can see there. There we are. It's still nice and warm, and I'm going to get rid of some of that water that's in there now, just so that it evaporates quickly. I'm going to put a little bit of methylated spirits on it. That's going to take some of the water out. And I'm going to get the cloth again. I'm going to shape the brush. And then I'm going to leave it to dry. And there we are. That's the kind of shape that you want. I don't know whether you've noticed, but there's a little diddle on the end of this stalk there. And what I do is I use that to hook it onto the container. Incidentally, that container is 35 years old. Its predecessor emptied its contents all over me from a ladder, and it went in my hair. So every time I use this thing, I remember that occasion. I hope that helps.